The last semi-final duel will now begin!
Alright, now! Get ready, Yugi!
Here we go! I summon Alpha, the Magnet Warrior, in defense mode! Next, I'll place one card face down.
Pathetic. Listen! I just need to play a single card to teach you a lesson you won't forget.
Kaiba! You won't summon Obelisk that easily!
Yeah, whatever. Obelisk the Tormentor!
Go! Light Force Sword!
Oh no! That's enough!
As president of Kaiba Corp, I declare this invalid!
My Egyptian God card is free now!
What?
My move! I summon my X-Head Cannon in attack mode! I play this! Go! Y Dragon Head! I summon Z Metal Tank in attack mode! Behold my XYZ Dragon Cannon! Now my Dragon Cannon! Attack his Magnet Warrior! You look so worried. Afraid of losing in shame, are we?
All right, here goes! I summon Big Shield Gardener in defense mode! Then I shall place one card face down. That ends my turn.
Yugi, I'm getting bored, and so are my fans. This allows me to take a high-powered monster from your deck and add it to my hand. My card, please.
That's enough, Kaiba! Reveal magic card! Exchange!
What? Oh no! Now he can take a card from my hand!
As president of Kaiba Corp, I declare this invalid!
You pick one, so we can get on with our duel.
I think you know what's next. Now I sacrifice my XYZ Dragon Cannon! I summon Slifer the Sky Dragon!
I must say, this duel seems quite hopeless for the Pharaoh.
Say farewell to your Big Shield Gardener! Now XYZ Dragon Cannon attack his monster!
You allowed me to play this! Behold, I reveal my face-down card, Soul Rope Trap! And I choose King's Knight!
Come forth now! Obelisk the Tormentor! Use your infinite power to bring me victory! It's over, Yugi! My mighty Egyptian God card is here at last!
You have no idea how dangerous this Duel Monsters tournament of yours has become!
The only one at risk is you! For once I win, you won't be number one!
Kaiba! Observe my face-down card! Pot of Greed! But I can now draw two more cards, and you know what that means!
Now it's my move! Obelisk, wipe out his life points!
Hold on! My wall of Karibos will protect me!
I'm Seto Kaiba. I get to draw 3 cards. You have to discard half of the cards in your hand.
Oh no!
Now finish your move so I can end this. I don't need an Egyptian god card to defeat you.
I summon Gazelle, the king of mythical beasts, in defense mode!
Prepare to feel the wrath of my Blue Eyes White Dragon!
Blue Eyes? But how? You need to sacrifice 2 monsters for that!
Yugi, you were correct. Summoning Blue Eyes usually requires 2 sacrifices. However, I'm Seto Kaiba. Too bad, Yugi. I summon Blue Eyes White Dragon.
I use Monster Reborn to bring back a monster from my graveyard! The servant of the ancient pharaoh! The Dark Magician! Now, Dark Magician, come forth!
Forget all that nonsense about the past! What? It's Red Eye's Black Dragon! Where did that come from?
Gift from a very close friend of mine, Kaiba!
How pathetic! This doesn't change a thing, Yugi! I can destroy you and your Red Eyes! Sorry, Yugi, but you've just made your final move. Now it's my move. Let's see you escape now. I play 2 cards. Next, I'll activate this. Now I shall fuse my 3 dragons together. Say hello to my Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon! Nothing you do can stop my 3-headed beast!
You'll never defeat me with a heart full of hatred and mistrust!
Ha! You're just trying to distract me because you're scared of losing! Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon, prepare for attack!
This is it! If I don't stop this dragon's attack, this duel is over!
Ultimate Dragon! Attack!
His Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon is completely unstoppable!
It's over!
Yeah! Yugi!
I win!
The winner of this duel is Seto Kaiba!
All right! I knew that you were gonna win this duel all along, big brother!